I would like to begin by congratulating all of our outstanding scholars. Let's get a round of applause for all of our outstanding scholars here today. Being selected as an outstanding scholar is a tremendous honor. It is particularly impressive to be selected after just the first marking period. Clearly, you have made a very positive impression on the faculty, and you have demonstrated your commitment to your studies and to our larger community. I would also like to take this opportunity to formally welcome all of the newest members of our Seawolf community who are joining us for the first time this September. Welcome. And to all of our returning Seawolves, welcome home. It is wonderful to be back in the building learning together in person once again. This Outstanding Scholar Assembly is a tradition that began with our founding principal, Brian O'Connell, in the very first year that we opened our doors. Over the years, our outstanding scholars have been celebrated in traditional assemblies in our school's theater and library, in the auditoriums at our relocation sites during Hurricane Sandy, on Google Meet and Zoom during remote and blended learning. This year, we have adapted once again, and we are celebrating our outstanding scholars in person in our media TV studio, and the recording will be shared with our whole school community. It doesn't really matter where or how we hold the ceremony, as long as we remember the purpose behind them. These celebrations are an opportunity for us, not only to honor the individuals who are selected, but also to remind all of us of the qualities that we value. We use the acronym CHARGE to remember the qualities we must all exemplify as Seawolves. C stands for collaboration. H stands for hard work and honesty. A stands for amiability or friendliness, kindness. R stands for respect and resilience. G stands for grit and growth mindset. E stands for equity and empathy. I will be reading an excerpt provided by the teacher and counselor team for each of our outstanding scholars. I urge you all to listen for evidence of charge qualities. I also ask you all as an audience to demonstrate amiability and respect by congratulating and celebrating your outstanding classmates. Finally, take some time to reflect and celebrate ways that you have demonstrated aspects of charge, and set goals for ways in which you can improve in the next marking period.